Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to make $23,650 with 7 AI-generated digital products. Exploring the exciting realm of crafting marketable digital solutions through AI? You're in the right place. Let's delve into the process step by step to understand how to bring your AI-powered creations to life. It's all about combining AI's capabilities with your creativity and market insight. First one on today's list is selling personalized AI-generated art prints on Etsy. Imagine a shop specializing in custom AI art, a potentially thriving business. Now here's how you get started. Utilize AI art generation tools like Midjourney, Deep Dream, Runway ML, or similar platforms. These tools can turn ordinary images into mesmerizing pieces of art. Offer customization options to your customers. Allow them to upload images or choose specific styles and themes for their art prints. Ensure that your art prints are high quality and ready for framing. The better the print, the more satisfied your customers will be. When showcasing your art prints on Etsy, take high-resolution photos that accurately represent the product. Craft engaging product listings with detailed descriptions. Explain how AI transforms ordinary images into stunning artworks. Determine competitive but profitable prices for your personalized AI art prints. Consider factors like the complexity of the AI transformation and the print size. Creating a shop on Etsy dedicated to personalized AI-generated art prints is a little strange. I know, but it can also be a lucrative and creatively fulfilling venture. By combining AI technology with artistic customization, you can offer unique and meaningful products that resonate with your customers. Now, picture this: a thriving Etsy shop raking millions yearly by selling digital wedding resources like invitation templates. These simple yet highly sought-after designs are a goldmine, and many shops on Etsy prove it with thousands of monthly sales. This could be your Etsy shop in the future, so watch until the end for tips and tricks to leverage AI to make money online. Now here's how to leverage AI to enter this lucrative market with ease. Again, utilize Midjourney to generate minimalist wedding invitation templates, experiment with different prompts and upscale the images for variety. Use a free tool like the Photopea to remove unwanted elements from the generated designs, ensuring a clean template. Transfer the refined image to Canva and add text boxes for customization. Consult AI, such as ChatGPT, to determine optimal text placement. AI handles 60% of the design work, significantly reducing manual effort. This strategy combines AI creativity with customization, enabling you to tap into the wedding resources market on Etsy. Third on today's list is stepping into the world of Etsy by offering AI-generated guides. Offering various resources, from real estate packets to cleaning checklists, all designed with creative fonts, has an earning potential of over $200,000. Here's a guide on how to automate this product using AI. Use AI like ChatGPT to generate content for your guides. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to outline what should be included in a real estate buyer guide, provide a breakdown of each section, and offer insights into what information to include. Ask ChatGPT to start writing portions of text for each section based on the provided breakdown. Tailor the generated content to suit specific niches or industries. For instance, you can create Airbnb welcome guides or cleaning checklists. Transfer the AI-generated text into tools like Canva, Word, or design software to make it visually appealing and easy to read. If you're familiar with the industry you're creating guides for, it's an advantage. However, AI can still assist even if you're not an expert. In this idea, AI handles about 65% of the work, generating content, significantly reducing manual effort. By harnessing the power of AI to generate valuable guides, you can create a unique Etsy shop that caters to the informational needs of various niches. With the right content and appealing design, you can tap into a market hungry for informative resources. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Ideas 4 and 5 have to go together for this. Imagine launching an Etsy shop specializing in logo and business and card designs, with the potential for substantial sales and profits ranging from hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. This AI-generated idea offers immense financial rewards and the opportunity to harness the cutting-edge power of AI to create unique and innovative products. Here's how you can tap into this lucrative market. In logo design with AI, use AI like Midjourney to generate logos for various businesses. Craft effective prompts to get the desired logo images. Offer customization options to clients, allowing them to personalize their logos with specific text or colors. Ensure the logos are high quality and resolution for optimal printing or digital use. Create appealing images of your logo designs for Etsy listings to showcase the quality and versatility of your work. In business card design, Extend your offerings to include AI-generated business card templates. Use Midjourney again to generate inspiring designs. Transfer AI-generated designs onto Canva to add text boxes and any additional elements. Recreate the entire business card template. When the customer purchases business card designs, share the template with them for customization. Consider market demand and complexity to determine competitive prices for logo packs and business card templates. While AI handles a significant part of the design work, some manual effort is involved, especially in recreating business card templates. Sixth on the list today is launching an Etsy shop specializing in unique and ATS-friendly resume templates. On Etsy, these shops have achieved incredible sales, generating tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars in passive income. The key to success in this niche is creativity and a deep understanding of what job seekers need. Here's a simple process to get started. Utilize AI like ChatGPT to generate helpful resume sections that guide customers in crafting effective resumes. This includes sections like summary, skills, experience, and education. Leverage AI to generate ATS-friendly text that avoids elements like graphics that can disrupt the applicant tracking system. Use Midjourney to create a wide range of resume template designs. This AI-powered tool offers endless creativity and uniqueness. Tailor your templates for specific audiences, such as those seeking ATS-friendly designs or visually appealing templates. Determine competitive pricing for your resume templates. Keep in mind that volume matters on Etsy. Promote your shop on platforms like LinkedIn, career forums, and professional communities. Highlight the quality and uniqueness of your resume templates. With AI handling around 75% of the creative work, you can focus on building out the resume templates. And last on today's list is the most profitable one among all discussed, opening an Etsy shop offering product mockups. These shops on Etsy have achieved substantial sales and generated significant profits by providing various mockup designs. Here's how you can start your own mockup shop using AI. Leverage AI tools like Midjourney to generate product mockups. For instance, you can use Midjourney to imagine a product like a mug or poster on a specific background. Modify and refine the AI-generated mockups to suit specific product niches or styles if needed. Ensure that the mockups are high quality, offering clear and detailed visuals. Present your mockups effectively in product listings on Etsy. Highlight the versatility and customization options of your mockup designs. Determine competitive prices for your mockup bundles, considering the complexity and uniqueness of your design. Promote your shop on social media, design forums, and communities. Showcase the value of your AI-generated mockups in product presentations. With AI handling the bulk of the mockup generation, you can focus on refining and customizing designs for your customers. In today's digital landscape, the possibilities for earning money online are as vast as they are exciting. With AI-generated designs, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to explore side hustles and generate income in creative and innovative ways. Whether selling personalized artwork, business resources, or product mockups, AI empowers you to tap into profitable niches on platforms like Etsy. The potential for substantial sales and profits, ranging from hundreds of thousands to even millions of dollars, beckons to those willing to embrace the future of entrepreneurship. As you embark on your journey to make money online, remember that the fusion of AI and your creativity is a recipe for success that knows no bounds. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.